Alright guys, we are back in my garage for another video, and this video is going to be very different from the other ones I typically make. I just wanted to really quickly talk about SD cards that go into your dash cam. As you guys have seen on my channel, I've posted multiple videos about my dash cams, and I have Blackvue dash cameras in all of my cars, but they typically only come with a 64 gigabyte SD card. So a lot of us, including me, want to upgrade it to a larger SD card, or maybe you've gone to your manufacturer's site and you see the SD card prices and you're just wondering if there's a cheaper alternative out there. So this is the one that I use. It's the Samsung Pro Endurance, and I'll have my Amazon link to it down in the video description. That's where I got mine. Typically has a good deal, fast shipping, all that good stuff. But this is an SD card that's designed to work with dash cams, and you can even see the symbols at the top. It shows it's made for, surveillance cameras, body cams, dash cams. I use it in my GoPro as well. So any kind of camera that has really high requirements for like writing, overwriting files, deleting files, all of those demands that come with using a dash cam, this will be able to keep up with it. So you can't just use any SD card. You need one that's specifically made to handle those kinds of requirements. The other one that I've seen recommended is the SanDisk High Endurance, and I'll have that in the video description as well, but that is also one that's kind of made for the same thing, and it's from another company that I trust. So those are the two that I kind of recommend. There are a couple different sizes depending on, how much storage you want and your budget. I just went with the biggest one that would work with all of my dash cams, and it works with 1080p video, 4K video, 30 frames per second, 60 frames per second. Pretty much any dash camera requirements on the market will be met by these SD cards. So definitely check them out. Hopefully this helps you guys out for anybody that's looking for an SD card upgrade for their dash cam. And I think that's it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps. And if you have any other questions or comments, leave them down below.